Hey everybody, welcome to Good to Know. I'm Rebecca, and today I want to share with you a review of a great little car speaker. Well, actually it's a speaker, Bluetooth for your phone, for your music, and we're going to put this in John's vehicle because he does not have any Bluetooth or auxiliary plugs, and sometimes listening to music is all he wants without the ads and all that. So we've got him. This is a little Bluetooth speaker, and it's detachable from the plate, and the plate is, you can hook this up over your visor, and you may need some pliers or something to bend it. It has magnets on the back side, so you can put it back on there, and it holds it very, very securely. We're going to demonstrate a phone call for you. We're going to demonstrate how easy it is to pair this and get it working. This works with both Alexa, Echo, and Google. So you can use either one on your phone, and you don't need a third-party device other than that. So if you've got a smartphone with Google Assistant, you can just use that one. We plugged it into our Echo Auto so that we can get the Amazon Music for it, since we pay for that. So this is by a company called Aigoss. It's Aigoss, and it was $19. This thing has 4 out of 5 stars on Amazon, and it has 536 reviews on Amazon. So I would say that that's a pretty good track record right there. And this is easy to use. It's got just the interface in the middle to answer a phone call. You click the button in the middle to turn it on and off. There's one, it's got an M on it if it's this way, or W if you've got it upside down. And you just hold it down for 2 seconds to turn it on or off. And then to fast forward or skip to the next song, you push either arrow button. It's that simple, you guys. You control the volume with your smartphone, and we're going to show you how that works.
And also take a card if you have your music, own music.
It's Bluetooth. There's a charge port down there next to the card port. And like John says, if you've got your own music selection, you can plug it in here, and it's going to work for you. So let's go take a look at this thing in action. I'm calling your phone. Show them how easy that is to answer.
Hello?
Hello.
That's how easy it is to answer the phone.
And it's got a great volume and clarity.
There it is. And just to get her so we don't hear no more, we just do that.
Okay, this is our smart speaker for John's van. Press the M for a couple of seconds to turn it on. And then it has the plus and minus to skip to the next song or back up and repeat. And the button in the middle is to answer the phone call. And on the back, it has a handy, kind of a built-in hook, and then magnetic attachment so that you can take the speaker itself off of there and take it inside and charge it.
Put it up here if you got a fan. Up here is where I put it. And then right here are right here's the charging port or power port to keep it plugged in, and you put a little card in there to play your own music or stuff right there. It pairs with your smartphone, which
easy to pair.
So basically we plug, well, this is my setup. I have zero pairing in my van with my radio. Okay, so it's just a standard radio, which all the vehicles now, you can pair your phone to the Bluetooth. So what we do, we plug it in, and I put that on upside down again. So we plug it in, and I set it up over top. Okay, right there. And then if Rebecca comes down here, I turn my smartphone on, and I have an automatic phone holder. This thing charger. It's nice. If you ain't got one, go look at them on our YouTube channel. Okay. And then Rebecca has me an Amazon Alexa.
It's an Echo Auto for your car.
And it's paired with it. So basically, we'll give it a command. Make sure it's on. Make sure I turn this on.
There is no active call.
There you go.
So now we just give it the command.
Alexa, play some 80s country.
Here's a playlist you might like. Awesome 80s country songs on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. I didn't want to play. Well, I could play it. We don't get monetized anyway, but yeah, that's as quick as it does. The sound will come out here, but you adjust the sound from your phone. Okay? And this is very nice. It's hands off. If Rebecca calls me on the phone, all I have to do is hit that button right there, and it answers it, and I can talk to her, and it'll hang it up. That center button.
Now, this is a Transit Connect van, and it has this little shelf up here above the window, and that's perfect for hanging up this speaker. And
you put on your visors or anywhere that you have a little ledge to hang on, or you can just lay it down somewhere on your vehicle.
But it's easy to pair.
Easy to pair.
It sounds good for one of these little portable speakers.
Oh yeah, it's great, great sound on it. It gets loud enough to where, unless you're just a young kid, it likes to vibrate your vehicle. But yeah, it does everything that I need, and I can be hands-free because Rebecca knows I don't like answering the phone and fooling with the buttons when she calls me. And I don't really have to mess with the stereo. I just talk to Alexa to play some music or a station. So
here's a station you might like. All 70s on Amazon Music.
She knows what I like. Alexa, stop.
See, that was easy.
Easy. I didn't even mean for it, but it took it. All right, we're going to go back inside and give a little deal on it and finish this up. Bye.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. We're really enjoying this speaker. It also forgot to tell you it works with Siri, so if you have an iPhone you can use it with Siri also. And it automatically powers off, so you don't have to worry about battery drain, a zombie drain, when you're not in the vehicle. Use it with your GPS. It's totally, you can have a hands-free experience for using that cell phone now. So I highly recommend it. We're going to leave a link for this down below and send you over to Amazon to have a look at it. Why don't you please click that Amazon link for us, because it really helps us. You don't have to buy it. I wish you would. But go check it out. This company, I really like their product. I like how they got so many good reviews, and I think you're going to enjoy it as well. And we've used this, for about a week now, and have had absolutely no trouble. It was so easy to pair. So that's what I've got to say about this, and if you've got any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and I'll be happy to get back with you and answer as quickly as I can. Check us out on our cooking channel. That's called Cast Iron Skillet Kitchen, and we've got lots of good stuff coming up for you. We've got lots of good stuff on there already. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, come back, and hey, if you are a YouTube creator, go check out BitTube. Duh. Hey, if you're a YouTube creator, go check out BitTube. They help you get paid faster with none of the requirements for having minimum subscribers or anything like that. You can start acquiring and earning from day one. It is BitTube. So go check it out. I'm Rebecca. Thanks for joining me. Bye, everybody.
it.